Wadi Rum in southern Jordan is not just a desert, it's a portal to another planet. Often called the Valley of the Moon, this vast expanse of ochre sands, towering red sandstone cliffs, and natural rock arches stretches across nearly 720 square kilometers of otherworldly landscape. But it's not just the Martian look that has fascinated travelers for generations. It's the feeling of timelessness. Here, where ancient Bedouin tribes still ride camels beneath burning stars, and colossal dunes swallow the wind in silence, Wadi Rum captures the raw and endless soul of the desert. Wadi Rum lies about 300 kilometers south of Amman, and only a few hours' drive from Petra, or Aqaba. Its remote isolation makes it perfect for those seeking to escape modern distractions. The entrance point is the Wadi Rum village, where tours begin. Most of the landscape is protected as the Wadi Rum Protected Area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that preserves not just nature but also thousands of petroglyphs, inscriptions, and archaeological remains that tell stories of human existence going back 12,000 years. What truly sets Wadi Rum apart is its Martian topography. Rust-red sand valleys, giant rock formations rising like fortresses, canyons etched by wind and water over eons, and silence that feels infinite. It's no wonder that this place has been used as a stand-in for Mars in major films like The Martian, Dune, and Star Wars. Yet, no camera can ever truly capture the surreal energy of standing alone in the middle of Wadi Rum, watching the sun paint the sandstone in shades of fire. One of the best ways to explore this dreamscape is on a classic jeep tour, operated by local Bedouin guides. A typical 4x4 desert tour takes you deep into the heart of the wilderness, stopping at iconic formations like the 7 Pillars of Wisdom, named after T. Lawrence's book. You'll climb up sand dunes for panoramic views of the desert stretching endlessly in all directions. At places like Umfruth Rock Bridge and Burda Rock Bridge, you can hike up natural stone arches that frame the sky in dramatic shapes. Along the way, you'll see ancient petroglyphs etched on rock faces, some of which depict humans, animals, and symbols left behind by the Nabateans and Tuareg people. Those who crave adventure can try rock climbing or scrambling up the cliffs with a local guide. Wadi Rum has become one of the world's top climbing destinations, thanks to its varied terrain and spectacular vertical routes. For a more meditative experience, camel rides are available, slow, swaying journeys across vast stretches that let you absorb the sheer scale and silence of the desert. Wadi Rum is also a haven for stargazers. Because of the low light pollution and dry desert air, the night sky here explodes with stars. Bedouin camps offer overnight stays in traditional tents or bubble domes with transparent roofs. After a day of exploring red sand valleys and sun-scorched cliffs, lying under a blanket of stars in total silence is one of the most profound experiences a traveler can have. The ideal time to visit Wadi Rum is during the cooler months, from October to March. Daytime temperatures are pleasant, ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, and the nights can get chilly, sometimes dropping close to 5 degrees Celsius. From April to June, the desert begins to heat up, with temperatures often soaring above 35 degrees Celsius during the day. July and August are extremely hot and less suitable for treks or hikes. Rainfall is minimal, but when it does occur, usually between November and February, the desert briefly transforms into a green and blooming landscape. This rare desert bloom adds a soft charm to the harsh landscape. Perfect itinerary for Wadi Rum spans 2 days and 1 night. Arrive at Wadi Rum village by late morning, and check into your selected Bedouin camp. After a quick rest and tea, begin your 4x4 adventure through the desert. Visit the 7 Pillars of Wisdom, Lawrence Spring, and Kazali Canyon, where you can see petroglyphs on shaded rock walls. Stop for a traditional Bedouin lunch cooked underground using a method called zarb. In the afternoon, explore sand dunes, rock bridges, and deep valleys like Barra Canyon. Watch the sunset from a high dune, an unforgettable moment as the landscape changes color before your eyes. Return to camp in the evening, where you'll enjoy dinner under the stars, accompanied by Bedouin music and stories shared around the fire. The experience continues well into the night, as the clear desert sky unveils its galaxies. Most camps offer warm blankets, hot tea, and a silent night unlike any other. On day 2, rise early to witness sunrise over the desert. After breakfast, you can either opt for a short camel ride or hike to viewpoints before heading back to the village and onward to your next destination. Many travelers continue to Aqaba for some time by the Red Sea or head north to Petra, combining the ancient city with the alien landscape of Wadi Rum. If you're enjoying this deep dive into one of the planet's most surreal destinations and want more such detailed guides to remote and unforgettable places, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We bring you complete itineraries, best times to go, climate tips, and everything else you need to explore the world's rawest and rarest destinations. Wadi Rum also offers immersive cultural experiences. Spending time with the Bedouins reveals their deep connection to the desert. Learn how they navigate using the stars, how they cook traditional dishes using firewood and stone, and how their songs echo the rhythms of the wind. Even a simple act like drinking tea here feels sacred, steeped in tradition and silence. For photographers, the golden hours of Wadi Rum are a dream. Early morning and late evening provide the best lighting to capture the red and gold hues of the cliffs and sands. Drone shots are increasingly popular too, showing the vast, textured terrain from above. Packing for Wadi Rum should include layered clothing, as days are warm and nights are cold. Wear hiking boots or desert shoes, a hat, sunglasses, and bring a refillable water bottle. Sunscreen is essential. While most Bedouin camps provide food and bedding, it's always good to carry snacks, headlamps, and a power bank. Wi-Fi and electricity can be limited or non-existent in the deeper camps, which adds to the sense of escape. Wadi Rum is more than a backdrop for films or a photo opportunity, it is a living canvas of Earth's rawest beauty. It is a place where you feel the weight of silence, the timelessness of the terrain, and the power of the planet itself. Whether you're here to hike, climb, camp, photograph, or simply wander in awe, the desert will leave its mark. And before you leave, don't forget to support local Bedouin communities. Book your tours directly through their cooperatives, respect the environment, and help preserve this mystical landscape for generations to come. So if you're ready to walk through a Mars-like dreamland right here on Earth, Wadi Rum awaits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic journeys across the globe's hidden and hauntingly beautiful corners.